In this tutorial we will see how to apply full back skin for Samsung Galaxy models. Don't worry if your exact phone isn't shown. The procedure is identical for all the models including S8, S9, S8 Plus, S9 Plus. You will need a hair dryer during the installation of the skin to smooth down the edges. Wipe up your entire device free of dust with provided microfiber cloth. It is important to not leave any dust on the device for better results. Start by removing the camera skin carefully from the releasing paper and reattach it as shown. Now apply the skin to the camera portion as shown. Apply firm pressure for proper application. Now, remove the skin from 3M paper and reattach as shown. Align the skin along the charging port and speakers. Once lined up perfectly, apply pressure to the covered portion. In case the skin is misaligned, slowly lift up the skin and try again. Rotate the releasing paper as shown. Align the skin around camera and fingerprint sensor until it fits perfectly. In case the skin is misaligned, slowly lift up the skin and try again. Apply firm pressure to lock it down. Remove the releasing paper by pulling it out. Smooth out the back portion until there is no bubble left. Grab the hairdryer and heat the top portion for 5 to 7 seconds. Apply pressure to the flap from one side to the another. Use microfiber cloth to smooth out the flap. Repeat this process for remaining sides. Heat up the side flaps for 5 to 7 seconds and apply pressure to the exposed area. Apply firm pressure to lock it down. Rub the microfiber cloth to smooth out the edges. Apply firm pressure to lock it down. Repeat the same process for other side. Heat up the side flaps for 5 to 7 seconds and apply pressure to the exposed area. Rub the microfiber cloth to smooth out the edges. Apply firm pressure to lock it down. Now heat up one of the corner flaps and apply pressure to just the corner portion. Apply bit by bit as shown. Grab the hairdryer and heat the top portion for 5 to 7 seconds. Now align the skin to the edge of the device as shown. In case the flap is misaligned, slowly lift up the flap and try again. Apply bit by bit for better results. Repeat the same process until aligned properly. Use microfiber cloth for optimal results. Apply firm pressure to lock it down. In case of misalignment, lift up slowly and try again. Repeat the same process until aligned properly. Use microfiber cloth for optimal results. Repeat the same process for all the 3 edges left. Use microfiber cloth to smooth out the edges and back portion of the device as shown. In case you messed up with the installation and need support, contact us. You have successfully installed the most precise skins available in the market. For any other queries, visit weirdcrafts.in.